Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily set up a screensaver on Windows 11. This video is pretty straightforward and easy, so if this is going to help you, write down below in comments that it helped you for other people to know too. Go to the bottom, and next to the search is going to be Windows button. Right click on it, and then under Task Manager is going to be Settings. Then you're gonna have Personalization, and right here you're gonna have, we're looking for lock screen, and then under screen timeout is going to be screensaver. Click on it, and then you're gonna have the screensaver here, and you can switch between 3D text, blank, bubbles, photos, and you can edit it as much as you want. So this is how you can set up the screensaver in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.